Oh no. Look like freeforms. Anyways, welcome back to the Follow Friendlies family. I am getting ready to go on a trip to Lamar. He's on his way. He said he'd be here around 9. I just hopped out the shower and it's 8:36. I still have 2 dogs to walk before he gets here. One of them is eating right now, and then the other one, she's just resting. I gotta put my socks and shoes on and get everything I need to grab. Today, for those of you who don't know, because you won't know, we've been planning this trip for forever. I think when we first started planning it, I released my pumpkin photo shoot video. That was in October. It is now July. June. It's June. It's Pride Month. And nigga month. Yeah, I don't know which graphic card he's gonna get specifically, but this is mine. So by the end of this video, I'm taking this bitch back, and if I forget it, I'm driving back to his crib. And we're stealing it. I had to text this man my address, forgot to do it last night. Or... what the fuck is my address? What the fuck is what is my address, bro? Like, I know where I'm at, right? No, get back. Okay. On God, I know where I live, alright? Anyway, I gotta go walk my dog. I will see you all in about 15 minutes. Is that a fucking pimple? Finally, guys, we got some gas today. I got my energy drink. This got coffee. We have a, what, 3-hour, 30-minute drive?
Let me do bit 2:15.
We finna make a 4-hour drive. If this motherfucker tip over, I'm just gonna sit there. I'm not gonna lie. Ain't shit I'm gonna do.
My mama gonna be pissed. Shit, we gonna be spending all that money on fucking car parts.
Shit. But we'll let y'all know later on when we get it. Probably have to stop for gas again or some shit.
Probably get some food.
Oh yeah. Cause I woke up at like 8 o'clock.
On my soul. Dude, my mom fake. She literally sat there. She went. No. She walks in my room. She says, "Hey, where your key at?" I say, "Huh?" She said, "Where your key at?" I look at my phone. It's 8:15. She quite literally just sat there and was like, she knew we was leaving at 9 too. She's like, "Yeah, where your key at?" I'm like, "Mama, I gotta go. And the whole time she had me looking for my key. It was hung up. It was in the right spot. She just chose not to look right there, cuz. I was actually so tilted.
Like, this morning I woke up. My mom, normally when she knows I'm about to go somewhere, she'll wake me up. And I know she wakes me up before she leaves for work. I woke up, she was gone, Quay was gone, and I was like, bro, what the fuck? I looked at my phone, it said 8 o'clock. I was like, shit, I still have to shower and walk both my dogs. And feed Silver. Like, Silver takes so fucking long to eat.
Oh my God, bro.
By the time I got done with all of that, it was like 8:59.
I feel like rage baiting, like, speeders.
Oh my God, it's my favorite fucking thing to do.
I hate y'all.
I love it.
I'm a speeder, my nigga.
I am too, nigga.
When y'all be sitting there rage baiting me, it just made me want to go faster.
I only do it to the niggas I know probably got guns on them. What? It's just it's something about the risk of knowing that nigga probably gonna shoot me. Like, this is very beat up Nissan Altima, right? I look at my rear view, that nigga is zooming it, right?
Pushing.
I see him get in the left lane. I'm in the right lane. I'm like, okay, I'm having a great day, driving slow as fuck. I see him, like, he's getting ready to speed up in front of me to get in the right lane to turn down Oakwood. I speed up. We matching speeds now. I see this nigga getting mad as fuck, right? I just start smiling. He slow up, I slow up. He speeds up, I speed up.
Bro.
He misses his fucking turn. I see that nigga hit the steering wheel and go. Like,
Yo.
I just started slowing up. I was like, you know what? That makes me so.
There's a special place in hell for people like you, bro. there really is. Like, there's no. You're gonna be at Heaven's Door and be like, you fuck with niggas on the road? Yeah, get out of here.
But like, it's only the niggas I know. Like, they ain't got no business speeding for no reason. Like, that nigga literally looked like he was not trying to get nowhere.
What if his music was just too good and he just needed to get
like niggas like Quay? Oh my God, I love speed baiting them niggas.
No, bro. Like, I know I'm not gay, but I saw the most, it was on TikTok, the most beautiful man ever. It was like Hispanic. He had a mustache. He had like
I feel like I know what you're talking.
piercings, and then he had like this long.
I feel like I know what you're talking about.
I was like, what the fuck? I mean, I don't like it, but
clear ass skin.
yes,
And
yes. I said, I showed Corey. She said, damn, oh my god. I said, no, chill. That's my man.
See, that's my man. Bro, on Father's Day, Prophet sent me a video. He said his studs on Father's Day.
Oh my
And so I sent him another post. I said his studs with their white girlfriend. He said, happy Father's Day, Stonkel. Why is this nigga trying to get me to play Roblox still?
No, bro. You gotta listen, bro. You know JC Garden. If you garden in the game, it helps you want to garden in real life.
I garden for anger management because
So-
I'm not allowed to punch holes in the walls anymore.
So if you garden on Roblox,
I'm more likely to punch the shit out of my screen.
no, it's gonna help
I've
you.
ripped the fucking plant where my little compost bin area is.
You abusing your plants, bro.
No, I'm abusing the dirt. I've ripped that bitch right off, looked at it, and put it back and screwed it back in.
What?
Because I had to, so when we first moved into the new house, I walked outside and I was like, okay, where the fuck am I finna put my garden? We walked to the side of the house. There was like this big area where there was a bush. I dug the bush up. There was like 3 of them. Dug them bitches up. And there was a tarp underneath all of that dirt. So I dug up every single inch of that dirt, replaced the tarp, and was trying to screw the tarp in. But I was getting frustrated because there were so many damn hornets and it was hot as fuck. And so the wood wasn't allowing me to screw the shit in, so I just reached down, picked that bitch right up, and looked at it, and I was just like, damn it. Put it back, and went to Home Depot and got some screws and screwed that bitch back in. Spotify Premium.
No, because the song's
It's
unreleased.
not just food. It's energy,
Yeah.
health, confidence, hope, and even love. Yes, love.
You can't get copyright on an unreleased song, can you?
Learn more about
I don't know,
how No
probably.
Kid Hungry is
I don't think so.
helping end child
Because that's technically doesn't
Help
exist.
No Kid Hungry.
She said yes sir, oh my god a man but you're investor. I can turn a little bitch that's nothing to the best. I could jet her, but that's only if it let. Said she want me, said she love me, I never met her.
Catch her, give her ride back, intercept her.
I can't catch none, yeah you know I am a tester. Papa E, an electric car, that's a test. She got Bob P, USSY. Oh.
So we're what, 30 minutes away? Okay, we still have a long, slightly long trip. We stopped at a gas station to get snacks in Pittsburgh. So I got my favorite chips. This nigga got an Arizona.
Hey, Arizona's tough. Don't sleep on it.
They said it was a $2 card charge. This nigga pulled out cash. I don't carry
I
cash.
pulled it out instantaneously. I'm not paying that $2.
He said it's a $2 card
I
charge.
said, "Y'all take
That
cash?"
nigga said, "Oh, it's cash." And she said, "Yeah." He pulled out the cash, and I said, "I don't give a fuck about no $2 card charge." Then again, like I have a spending habit, a spending issue. So yep, we'll be on the way now.
Blue Bugatti, look like sun.
Not setting this up. I think they'll let us record with the camera when we get in there. If not, I don't give a fuck. Yeah, finna eat my chips. I decided to do a healthier option because that energy drink might fuck me up later. So we got Smart Water and chips. Traffic's a bitch, bro. Sounds better than the next lane, but we good. arrived at the trip that we've been planning for literal fucking months. It's not even that big.
It's not that big.
Like, oh my motherfucking god.
Oh my god, is that perfect?
Look at these perfect parking spots though.
Should I try?
Just take this one. Or
That nigga can't park for shit.
nigga, can we park for shit? Look, I know you might think I'm skinny as fuck, but I ain't.
Head south.
That's south where?
Ratchet, bro.
That ain't even that bad.
Not even you. That's what he's thinking. Like niggas. I put my motherfucking jacket back on. Hold on. That's not my jacket, bitch. Bro, if this nigga look in here one more time, I'm gonna get out the motherfucking car. Let me make sure I got my wallet in my pocket. Shit.
All my money is spread across several different accounts. I am cooked because I do not have.
This nigga broke.
I'm not broke.
This nigga is broke.
Broke nigga alert.
Insufficient funds. You ain't got no money.
Okay. I didn't have to park that close to the nigga because
The nigga was gone.
the nigga left. But
My fat ass can get out the car now.
okay.
Alright.
Oh, I'm in this line. You got it.
Alright, bet. This is shit I'm talking about, bro. What the fuck type of car is that?
Oh, yeah, we deep. We need a basket.
Probably gonna get in here and get a basket. I don't turn around and looked at that car as I'm like fucking. A nigga don't give a fuck about their life because I had to turn around, look that nigga dead in his eye and kept walking in front of him. Do that was supposed. I don't have my shit on here. Damn. So I know it was a B650 something. I got service. It's just it's pretty. I'll get it first, right, please. Okay, here we go. B650 X AX.
No, it's regular.
It's how much is it? $199.
Is that it? Is that it?
No, this is the B650P. It's 100. I mean, then again, you can get like probably this low key. Okay, that's not a bad.
That too.
You're probably looking at the okay. As long as it's like the bright orange, you'll be good. Yeah, it's the AM5 platforms as well. Damn, my knees hurt.
I just gotta go with the.
Yeah, we can go with this one. Do you want Wi-Fi with yours? Yeah. Let's see. We have. Okay, so we have. Either one of us is that tall. Sorry about that. Okay, so we have your motherboard. See, but when I look at the motherboards, I try to look at the USB 3s. I don't know if that's gonna work.
Sorry.
Oh, my bad. Let's see. That's a mint memory ATX. Damn. B650X.
Did you check the specific store?
Yep.
They said they had it?
Yeah, everything is on stock.
Maybe just ask.
Yeah. You wanna go find somebody?
Yeah, what's that nigga?
This nigga that's stalking us. Yeah, go find him so he know we ain't stealing. Alright guys, so we're trying to find all the stuff that's on the list. Oh, he's on that side. I just saw him walk by on that side. Let's see. Cause I'm also here trying to figure out my rig. That's also not bad.
have like X670 and then D650. It's gonna be like D650.
Because
650 AX.
yeah, it's the
The AX, okay, yeah. That's gonna be around the corner here. Grab that one.
Did we walk around it? Yeah, it's part of the. Do you still have the Ryzen 7?
Yeah.
70. Okay.
7700X?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got that one.
All right. Do you
Are you
wanna?
looking to get that bundle?
Yeah, we're trying to build like a whole bit rig.
Starting with the 7700X, did you have any other parts picked out?
We have. Let's see. Yeah, we have the G-Skill Flare X5 32.
That asked if you wanted the Flare X or if you wanted the Corsair as well.
It's the Flare X. We'll just do that. We do have the Montech XR tempered glass case.
The black or the white?
Black. And then we have the Mag 750 GL power supply.
Right this way for that.
We have the. Hang on. Give me a second. Hyper 212 Cooler Master cooler.
You want one that's a little bit better, a little bit more expensive?
Sure.
Would be like something like the Phantom Spirit here, or the Peerless Assassin.
I thought the Fearless Assassin was pretty good. Do you have that one in black?
Yeah, it'd be this one right here.
Yep.
You want the ARGB?
Sure.
Or you want the non-RGB?
We'll do the ARGB.
It should be about 55 for that one. So it's gonna be, like I said, like 20 bucks more than the Hyper 212, but like
Better.
way better.
Yeah. The Inland 1 terabyte SSD.
Which one?
It's the Gen 4x4.
I'm assuming this guy right here, 2 and 450.
Yeah.
Alright, what else?
Aside from the case, I think that's it.
You already got Windows?
Yeah, we have it at home.
And then a graphics card, you already got that taken care of?
We're gonna get one later.
Okay.
Okay.
You go grab your case out the back, and I gotta print out a claim sheet for the processor in this guy, right?
Alrighty. Well, cool. Now I'm gonna look at the RAM because I have to get mine. Oh. Let's see. That's DDR4. Fuck. Okay, we have DDR5 here. Right. Nope. That's also DDR4. Fuck me. I might just get it later then. But yeah, that's the Ripjaws S5. Yeah, that's the Flare. Fuck. That's the one I was gonna get. That one right there. I don't have a motherboard for it. Thinking, do I want to grab a motherboard today and then just order the RAM on Amazon? And then we're gonna probably go back over there to the motherboard side once he come back. Not as long as I thought it would take. We just still been looking for everything.
Yeah, he was pushing.
I don't know why they make us switch. Probably.
Oh yeah, they do.
That nigga say, hey, y'all need help. Do y'all need help? Come on now, y'all need help.
Stick on that real fast.
He's on my phone. Y'all got a graphics card? We're gonna get one later. Y'all got the Windows 11 key? We're gonna get one later. Chill. Chill, brother.
He was trying to add that too.
See this. Okay, we got DDR5 for the.
Oh my god, I would have been able to get so much better.
Did you text her? That's 32 for East. I don't want 5600 RAM though. I'm trying to get like the 6600 or 6000. CL32 is not bad, right? We're close. I'm debating. Do I grab the? But I'm looking for 64 gigs. That's my issue.
How much is it?
That one's 104, but it's 32.
Oh, yeah, that ain't.
Think about it. Like that right there. Oh shit.
That's all good too. Yeah.
Is these ones down here 64?
30.
Yeah, here's 64, but these that's
They go up
56.
to 2, don't they?
Yeah. 64, 6000 CL30. Yep, that's the one I was probably gonna get. It's 209. Double check. Let me check my bank account.
Dang. Anything else we need?
Yeah, no, I'll wait.
Let me know if you need anything else. My name is Justin.
Alright.
No problem.
Oh, did you take the processor and CPU back? Did you take the processor and the storage?
He did not. I think he ordered them, so I'm going to get them.
Oh, okay. Let's go look back at the motherboards.
Oh, you probably should have asked them.
I might just order mine on Amazon. It ain't that deep, brother. Oh, do you want to try to look at like the peripherals and shit? Get you like a microphone or something? Let's see. Oh, I'm a little slow. Hold on. What the fuck is that? Oh, mouse bungee. Oh, that's so nice ass keyboard or mouse pads here. I think they got nice ones. Oh shit. Nice. Look at the displays. That is a stud.
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
Steady.
Did you hear what he said? We just get to put this shit in here for emotional.
Is this a right-handed mouse or a left-handed?
It's a right-handed mouse.
Really?
That's yeah, it's a sniper mouse.
Fuck that with me.
So there's special buttons you can press to change your DPI.
I don't know nothing about that shit.
It changes sensitivity so you can like whether you're.
You ain't even tell me this shit was hanging up the fucking side of my fucking scalp.
Oh yeah,
I
my
that shit is
fault.
for.
My fault.
You fake as hell. You fake as fuck.
It's fine, bro.
Let's see. Well, we have these keyboards. This nigga can't drive. Let's see. Oh shit. Huh?
Actually, I do need a new keyboard. Yeah, I don't like it.
Why would I? Okay. Let me touch this shit. It's not bad.
So much better than.
Oh, we have the Ducky keyboards as well at work. Okay, I don't mind it. Bro. Lamar. I bought my mama a keyboard like that. shit ain't even have space bars?
They're shit.
I thought you said that shit ain't even got space bars. You know, low-key, if I built like a fucking cutesy ass setup, I would get that fucking keyboard down there. That one right there. Just because it's cute.
Is it pre-made or?
I think it's pre-made.
Bro, I was so good.
I want to build a keyboard, but at the same time, I probably shouldn't. But like the thing is, I only like the 104 key keyboard.
How y'all doing? Doing good.
Good. But I only like the keyboards that have like the numpads on the side. Why is that an issue? Riley said that's an issue too.
It's just weird.
It's not weird. What if I do? What if I use my numpad almost daily? Yeah, I do. I use it daily.
Hey, after all the flack I got for typing all my numbers like this, I don't judge anybody anymore about what kind of keyboard they use. Hell,
It's so much easier.
using this, some people use this.
Yeah, I don't like the
Nothing.
You're weird.
I mean,
You're weird.
How am I weird? All I
Why?
need is my.
You have to use like the function keys to use some of your keys as well.
Have you ever touched a function key in your life?
Yes, I have.
This is so much better. I prefer 60%.
well, see, that's why we have an entire aisle, though.
Yeah,
That's
man.
why there's a million different options.
Yeah.
Because everybody's different. Some people want numpads, some people don't.
Yeah, like bro, really? Like no numpad, man.
By the way, were y'all looking for like a specific keyboard?
Oh no, we're just looking. Now we're killing time. We drove like 3 hours here, so we're just gonna like walk around. Yeah.
I was gonna say, we have some really interesting ones that are like, not like this layout, they have a numpad, but they're like, there is no
Oh, like,
space between the keys. It is like as small as possible.
That one.
Yeah, like that. Which is really interesting.
I don't.
So much better.
It just
And
takes,
didn't use that one then. Don't use a 60. You're weird.
that's a, like, that's not even a 60 or a 75. That's like a weird, like, I want to call it an 85.
It's a 94 key. Yeah. You can't do it?
No, that's not.
You're weird. Oh, we were gonna look for the microphones.
Oh, yeah.
Where's that at? Yeah, probably on the wrong aisle.
Bro, why did they make it so compact?
You could. Oh
So
my
I
god.
can't do a 3-point turn.
I don't think that was the issue. I don't think you were supposed to do a 3-point turn. Going that way.
Yeah, I had to get out the aisle.
Yeah. Look at the gaming chairs on the fucking.
It might be on the wall.
Yeah, it probably is over there. Yeah, because there's some headphones over there. Let's see. Oh shit. Let's go down this way. They have the. Oh yeah, they have the little Cooler Master keyboard.
Imagine they don't take Apple Pay.
You should ask.
They'll take Apple Pay?
You just walk into somewhere and you don't know.
I do actually, like.
I know, because a lot of customers, like, they come into this place, they'll be like, hey, y'all take Apple Pay. Why would you fill your entire cart up and not know if we...
Are you interested in the replacement plan for the CPU? In case it's like defective at all.
How much is that?
The 3-year replacement plan is $60 and
Yes.
so it's gonna be $703.34.
Yeah, bro. We finally got the car part, or damn, say car part.
Car part?
Car part. We got the computer parts. Now we're gonna go find food. You excited to finally have a computer? Yeah, man.
That sounded so fake. Yeah, I'm actually. Like genuinely, yeah.
Next, we gotta get this nigga a whole streaming setup.
Oh my god, that's gonna be insane.
Like, okay, let's see. How much? I should probably calculate how much I've spent on mine. Just to give you like a.
I need a boom arm, a mic, and a sound deck for real.
Let me see.
I already got a good headset. You gonna build your stream PC?
No, my PC is just fine. I don't need no stream PC.
Check.
I mean, mine's is done pretty fine. I've just. All my shit is arriving tomorrow. Fuck me. Except my bed frame and my nightstand. Why the fuck is all my other shit arriving tomorrow?
What you get?
I got a charger, a bracelet, a Bluetooth transmitter, two camera stands so I can swap the cameras easily. But hang on, that's not what Did you order this shit? I think I ordered it beginning of 2024 on my stream ship. Okay. I should be able to view the order here.
At the next light, turn right.
I bought a monitor. Well, I guess it's not a right representation because this one's controller, monitor arm, monitor, cable management shit, speakers, and cable, and like a desk mount. But just for like a monitor, controller, cable management stuff, 2 speakers, 2 desk stands, a microphone, and a microphone arm cost me $416.
Oh my god.
But then again, my microphone was $72, the mic arm was $56.
Wait, so you what are you getting?
I got a microphone arm, a microphone, desk stand so I can clip that shit onto my desk, a controller, and a monitor.
And I already got monitor.
In about 1 mile,
That's about it.
make a U-turn at South Park and Southeast.
I know I had a list of like a streaming gear shit that was like $750. Yeah, $750.
And
It-
what?
Stay in the right 3 lanes.
Webcam.
I mean, this setup thing I got here on the list, about it has an SD card reader, capture card, the Elgato Stream Deck, a microphone, mouse pad, 2 of those light stands. I have some light panels, a camera, keyboard, mouse, monitor, and headset. You got light panels?
Light and
Yeah, like lighting.
oh, that's
Where the fuck is we at? I've been looking at Amazon the entire fucking time. I would have missed the motherfucking turns.
it's such a weird one. If we're gonna get over, then go. If we're not, then
Don't fucking leave, nigga.
Stay in the middle lane.
I should call my dad and ask him if he's at home.
probably should. Well, don't call him now. Call him
On the way
like
there.
an hour or 30 minutes away. Oh my god, this is
Confusing as fuck. How you niggas drive out here?
when are we gonna make a thumbnail?
You said what?
What's our thumbnail gonna be?
I don't fucking know. Oh, are you holding the PC or are you in front of all the PC parts? One of those. I gotta actually start recording all those fucking videos. I'm doing the 31 days of Spooktober shit, where every day for the entire month of October I'm uploading a video.
Make a U-turn.
Yeah, you definitely. Where am I gonna be able to make a U-turn?
Make a U-turn? Nigga, you see this traffic?
Stay in the second lane for left.
We ain't making no motherfucking U-turns in this bitch.
Fuck no, I'm just gonna have to turn in and then brake.
At the light, use the left lane to make a U-turn at South Park 3 Southeast.
Oh, is it right here?
Then take the first right.
What's the place called? J Buffalo. Yeah, right there.
I think there's
Are we
there
gonna
might
just-
be a side entrance.
Are we just gonna get food and eat in, or are we gonna get food and eat out here?
Eat in the car? You wanna eat in the car?
I mean, it doesn't matter.
I was gonna eat in.
Alright, me eating.
Doing our Keith Lee shit. Traffic's always this bad, bro?
Bitch, I fucking hang myself.
Oh my god, is this where? No, it's not.
I can join your fucking. I can join your jam.
Join my jam, bro. Play some music. Wait, after this song, though.
So what bullshit do we want to play that's gonna make you absolutely pissed? I added a song to the queue. I mean, if there's no traffic here, you can make the U-turn.
That's how I was thinking. That's probably not gonna be possible.
Turn right. You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
Watch out for those shorts. Gonna go in here and try this pool.
Swamp Izzo!
Now, why he screaming? Cause look at how it got me looking, bro. I'm so dead right now. Like I really can't right now, bro. I look scared. Look scared for my life. I don't know why he was screaming. I guess the music was really popping. I guess, you know. Oh my god.
He's gone! He's coming!
I'm leaving the camera in the car.
I think niggas, you wanna be in
Oh my god, that nigga's looking at me.
Let's go wait for this nigga to pull out.
Oh my soul, I'm not getting out of this car, man. I got this.
I threw my fucking phone on the floor.
I just
See, I never
Did I
saw.
skip your song accidentally?
Yeah. I wasn't even gonna say shit. I've never gotten secondhand embarrassment, but that shit.
Come on.
Come on.
Turn right onto Alabama 35 North.
Get the cardboard slide. Okay, to be 100 with you, I did not feel like editing all of the clips of us building his PC, so I just cut it short. Enjoy the rest of it. See? No, for real?
I've been like, you can ask my mom. I've been talking about building a PC for years.
Oh.
Okay, let
Don't step on your shoes.
me do some housekeeping real quick.
A few minutes later.
Oh yeah, my can you see me?
Yeah, we can see you.
My chair's broken, so if I want to sit down, it's gonna look a little wonky. You see that, B? It lean crazy. Okay.
Oh, that fingerprints on there.
I know. That's funny.
Is your monitor on?
Let's go!
Hey, so it's me again. Voiceover. There was a lot that went wrong during the rest of this, and it took us a few days after that to try to get it working. He did get it working. He was able to play games on it, but it keeps overheating, and we just bought him a graphics card like today. Hopefully that fixes his issue. He's gonna let me know at the end of the day. If it doesn't, we're gonna try to buy him some new RAM. If that fixes it, which hopefully it would, we'll all be good. I think he might post a setup. I can't promise anything because I don't know what he's gonna do. I can't control his upload schedule. So this is the end for this video. It's really janky and not my best work, but you know, that's what you get when you sign up for the Follow Friendlies family. You don't really get quality unless I just kind of like gave up on whatnot. I'm just kidding. We have a lot planned for the upcoming months. I have quite a few videos I am planning to put out. Layla, if you're watching this, your request is coming out. I promise you this weekend I will have it ready for you. Just give me a bit. Still working on the Wrath video that I haven't. Either way, the next video is coming out. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel would be nice. Or, you know, just comment down below what your favorite part was, and I hope to see you all in the next video. I am now going to send you away from the void. See you later.